Hi everyone, I'm Holly, the Hub Manager at Focus Newton Enterprise Hub.
And I'm Lucy, the Engagement Coordinator.
We're calling out to Mid-Wales business owners, entrepreneurs, or just anyone who's interested in latest news and updates for businesses in their area. We've got something really exciting to share with you.
So many people have asked us for this after workshops and when you come and co-work with us. So we're delighted to announce that we have finally launched a Facebook group for the Hub community.
Come and join us for a range of benefits, including live videos, exclusive content, offers on our co-working space, as well as latest news and updates for businesses in your area. It's also a place where you can share ideas, collaborate, and talk to like-minded people like you in your area.
The group will be for existing Hub members, so people who are familiar with us and our networking sessions, but we'll also be opening it to new people who want to feel part of a really valuable business community.
In order to ensure people are talking to each other and to get the most out of the group, we've themed a range of days throughout the week. We've got New Member Mondays where you can share information about yourself and other members will do the same. We've got Top Tip Tuesdays, all about sharing tips, bits from articles, news stories, videos, anything that's useful for people to learn in business. And we've got Wisdom Wednesdays where you can share your experiences and your expertise in your area.
Throwback Thursday is all about showing us how far you've come, where you started and where you are now. And then Follow Friday is all about sharing the love. Follow people on Instagram, like their business page on Facebook, connect on LinkedIn. Just make sure you're supporting each other.
So what are you waiting for? Share the word, come join the group, be part of the discussion and collaborate with other people in your area.
We'll see you there.